Hi, man. I'm Tommy John here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Oh wow, I actually got a viewer. All I ask is you watch the whole video not to miss out on any special offers or giveaways. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk and do your own research. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm just documenting my journey into investing. And when investing, there is a chance you can lose all the money you put in. So only invest money that you can comfortably live without, called risk capital. Hi there, I am Mason, and this is Stock Up 42. Today, I want to talk to you about passive income and why it's an important part of your financial plan. First, let's define what passive income is. It's money that comes in without you having to work hard or put in a lot of time. This can come in the form of rent from an investment property, interest from savings accounts or investments, or earnings from a business you own. Now, why is passive income so important? Well, it can help you achieve financial independence and security. It can also help you cover unexpected expenses or save for your retirement without having to work as hard. Plus, passive income streams are often more consistent and reliable than active income. This means that you can rely on them, even in times of financial uncertainty or market downturns. But how can you start generating passive income? One way is to invest in stocks, real estate, or other investments that offer passive income opportunities. You can also start a business or dabble in crowdfunding and other forms of entrepreneurialism to generate income passively. Another option is to build an income stream through passive income strategies like investing in annuities or life insurance policies. These investments pay you a guaranteed income for your life, regardless of market conditions. In conclusion, passive income is a valuable source of income that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. By developing strategies to generate passive income, you can enjoy the benefits of financial independence and stability without having to work as hard as you would to earn active income. Okay, let's get right into it. Here's some great apps that you can earn passive income with. With the increasing popularity of mobile applications, it is easier than ever to earn money through your phone. One such app is Coin. I have had the Coin apps for a few years now, and I have personally made thousands of dollars worth of free crypto. You can earn passively with Coin by just leaving the apps open, letting the audio ads play. But Coin also allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as playing games, watching videos, and referring friends. One of the great things about Coin is that you can earn money in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which offers a high degree of flexibility and anonymity. You can even store your earnings in cold storage, which means they are not tied to any centralized system and are therefore more secure. Coin also offers a range of other ways to earn money, such as completing surveys, watching videos, and even referring friends. Earning money through these methods is easy and can be completed in just a few minutes a day. One of the unique features of Coin is its referral program, which offers a generous commission for each new user you refer. This means that if you can effectively market the apps to your friends and family, you could earn a significant amount of money in no time. Overall, earning money with Coin is a simple and convenient way to earn some extra cash while enjoying the benefits of cryptocurrency. With a focus on providing a range of tasks and methods for users to earn money, Coin is a great way to boost your income and earn money with your smartphone. I ask that you get the Coin apps with my links in the description of the video, and in turn, you will receive large bonuses on all of these apps. Another favorite apps of mine is Atlas Earth. With Atlas Earth, you can either watch ads or purchase digital land to earn a stream of passive income for as long as you own the land. The more land you acquire, the faster you earn real money that you can cash out for at any time. And even after you cash out, your land will continue to earn you money. There are also many games you can play in order to win Atlas bucks to buy more land with. So far, there is golf, fishing, and drag racing minigames. Another cool feature is that you can list your properties for sale if you chose to, and you can ask as much as you want for them. A little tip: if you live by other people with Atlas Earth that own property, buy land right next to theirs. Then put that piece of land up for sale for 2 or 3 times what you paid for it. If they want the land bad enough, they will buy it. Then you can go somewhere else and repeat the process, or take what you earn and buy even more property. These are some of the apps I am using in my series on how to earn $1 million in Bitcoin. You can find those videos on my channel page. Join Atlas Earth today with the link in the description of the video, and start with free land, already earning you money. TimeBucks is one of my favorite websites to earn money from. You can even promote your YouTube video or website using the money you earn with TimeBucks directly on their website, which is exactly what I will be doing with my earnings. You can use TimeBucks to earn ad revenue generated by providing traffic and views to your own website, YouTube channel, or affiliate link. Of course, if you rather, you can always withdraw your money using PayPal, wire transfer, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and many other ways. You can earn money by watching videos, visiting websites, answering surveys, and clicking ads. I ask that you use my link in the description of the video, and by doing so, you will receive a random bonus today in your TimeBucks account. This has been Mason with StockUp42. I ask that you please share this with your friends. I will also put a link in case you would like to donate to, because I don't know. Maybe you just don't want your Bitcoin anymore, or maybe you need a tax write-off, or perhaps you are one of those. Less is more types of people. On a serious note though, all donations are appreciated, and a big thanks goes out to those that have in the past. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, let's stock up together.